All right, I'm just putting 1 miniature can of Sprite and 1 egg into each of my small loaf pans. Perfect. Now I'm gonna be adding in some Jell-O instant pudding. This one's a cheesecake flavor, a pistachio flavor. I have a strawberry milkshake flavor that's from Sonic. And I have a red velvet flavor that's made by Sprinkles Cupcakes. Alrighty, I'm gonna start giving these a mix. I wanna break up my egg here, incorporate the flavor of that Jell-O instant pudding and my soda. That's looking really good. We're making such an easy little dessert today. This is perfect for the summer. I like that you can do a variety with these. I think it just gives, the spice of life. And you can use whatever flavors of instant pudding you like. I wanted to get a good variety here. I've never seen that red velvet flavor before, but my husband Marty loves red velvet, so I had to get that one and try it for him. I thought this strawberry shake sounded really, really good. Ooh, the oven is ready, y'all. We just gonna get our last one mixed here. It's harder to whisk in such a small space. Now I've just got my Betty Crocker. I'm using a yellow cake mix. And I'm gonna put about half of this mix into each tin. Perfect. I've got a second box here. You can put whatever kind of cake mix you want into this. I just thought the yellow would be a nice neutral, kind of goes with all these flavors. And I'm just eyeballing about a half and a half. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna start with my mixer back here. Let's see if this is the right way to go, or maybe I needed a spatula, but we're gonna get these all incorporated. Y'all, this is such a fun, easy way. Whoop. I'm gonna get a spatula. All right, I'm gonna spatula this so it, hopefully I can get it mixed a little bit better. It was a little thick for my little egg beater tool in this instance. But yeah, ooh, and this smells so good. This strawberry shake from Sonic. I had no idea that Sonic made their own instant puddings. A strawberry milkshake flavor, yummy. Let's see how our red velvet starts to look when it's mixed with the yellow cake mix. It's cool though, like the pudding with just the egg and the Sprite, already has a great texture to it. You can tell that it's gonna be really flavorful. And this is just a variation of a regular soda cake. I think a lot of people know you can take just a can of soda, add it to a box of cake mix, but this is a fun way to personalize it. You can add different flavors and really change it up to be whatever you like. Like, if I didn't have a box of red velvet cake mix, I can add my red velvet pudding mix to this cake and make Marty's favorite. Alrighty, we've got all our cakes mixed. Now I just happen to have some pistachio pieces that I'd use for another dessert, so I thought I'd throw some on top of our pistachio cake. And some freeze-dried strawberries that I'm gonna put on top of our strawberry milkshake cake. I know it's looking a little more orange than strawberry, like a pink, but I think let's see how it turns out when we bake it. Cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop these in my oven at 350. I think they're just gonna be in there between 15 and 20 minutes. I'll let you know how long they take. Alrighty guys, these took a little longer to cook than I was thinking. I would say they were maybe closer to like 30 to 35 minutes, probably just because of the depth of the pans. But we've got our pistachio, our cheesecake, our red velvet, and our strawberry. And I am so excited to dig into these and kind of see how they turned out. You can always put some frosting on top here. I feel like that would be really delicious as well. But I'm gonna go for it first and foremost with just the straight cake flavored with our pudding. Oh, it has a very spongy texture. Seems to be pretty dense and moist, so I'm excited to give this a try. Pistachio heaven. Oh, okay, it's really good. It's not overly sweet. It's just that nice hint of pistachio. I was worried. It was a smaller box of pistachio, so I think that was really great. I'm gonna try though the strawberry because I want to see how that bigger box does flavoring the whole cake. Look at this dense, like beautiful texture. Yum. All right, let's see how the large box of the strawberry shake instant pudding flavor this cake. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake cake. Y'all, this is so good. You definitely gotta try it.